everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So if you guys want to see my unboxing, make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys are enjoying tech videos like this, then make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up because that does help me out. I'm going to try something new on my channel. So yeah, since basically dealing with like tablets and like phones and watches and stuff like that, I deal with on a daily basis because I do work for Verizon. So yeah, so if you guys like these videos, make sure you guys give them a big thumbs up for me. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so before we jump into the video, I do want to let you guys know that if you guys are going to be on the struggle bus for the holidays like I am, especially when it comes to purchasing gifts for everybody, and I do mean everybody, that there's a couple apps that I actually use on the regular that definitely help when it comes to purchasing stuff that not necessarily that I need but that I want. These apps are called Klarna, which I use on the daily. There's also Afterpay, QuadPay, but the main two that I use are Klarna and Afterpay. So if you guys don't know what they are, it's basically, so like when you go to purchase something, example A, like a tablet, so Klarna actually just introduced where you can also do financing as to, which helps like build your credit as well, which is pretty cool. So you do have that option, or you still have the regular 4-payment option. So for instance, this tablet was on sale for $329. Of course after tax, because I live in New York, it went to like $350 for this tablet, which normally this one I do believe was close to like $500 for this tablet, so it was a really good deal. But also keep in mind that it is Black Friday weekend and soon it's going to be Cyber Monday. So if you guys are interested in buying this tablet, I would definitely get your hands on it now while it's on sale. But where was I going? Oh yeah, so I decided to do the financing so I didn't have to make my first payment today, which is pretty cool. So I'm basically going to, instead of doing 4 payments over the course of 6 weeks, I am doing a 6-month payback period, which is pretty cool. So I didn't have to do anything down today, which was so nice. So yeah, so definitely check out those apps. Like I said, I definitely use them on the regular and they literally help so much. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm definitely not that huge of a YouTuber, though that'd be super awesome. But yeah, I just wanted to get the word out there before I get started on this unboxing video. So let's just go ahead and get started. But yeah, so this is the packaging. So just to give you a rough idea, so packaging contains, of course, the tablet. This is a 10.4-inch tablet, so it's about the same size as your standard iPad. You also get the S Pen, which that one I was extremely interested in when I was looking at this tablet. So I was looking at this one and the Samsung Galaxy A7 tablet, but the main difference is with the A7 tablet, it's literally permanently in the landscape mode, so I really didn't want that. So that's another reason why I got the S6 Lite. So there's also the wall charger, quick starter guide, and Samsung terms and conditions. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and open up this bad boy here. All right, so here's the tablet. Of course, standard Samsung tablet packaging. So here's like their little like quick start guide. It does come with a like a SIM key or a tool, I'm assuming probably to insert the SD card. Now the size tablet that I did get is a 128 gigabytes of storage. So there's that one and there's the 64. But the 128 size was the one on sale at Best Buy. So here is the little S Pen here, which is honestly so nice. And the color that I did get is the gray one. I really wish they had the blush gold, which would have been perfect. But here's the little S Pen, which I'm pretty sure you can actually pair this up with the Samsung phones as well. I could be mistaken, but that'd be pretty cool. All right, and of course, charger. And this is a USB to Type-C charger instead of a Type-C to Type-C, but that's perfectly fine. And I do believe that is it. I'm just gonna leave this guy out. Now there is two different versions of the Tab S6. Obviously I got the Lite version, and then there's the regular Tab S6, which I do believe is the larger size. But honestly, this one is gonna be like the perfect size for me. So this is her. Like I said, it's a 10.4 inch display. There is a bezel going around the display, but it's really not that bad at all. And like I said, I did get the gray one as well. And the cool thing about it is it does have surround sound speakers, as you guys can see, and it is powered by AKG as well, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm just going to power this guy on and I will show you guys the final display. Alrighty guys, so I just got my tablet all set up. It was a very, very quick process. So this is what the main tablet looks like. The wallpaper is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys can see the color on the display, it's absolutely gorgeous. So of course the setup, it's literally going to be identical to how like the Android phones work, which is really cool. So if you guys have any Samsung phones, this is literally going to run identical. Of course you do have like the Play Store services and all that stuff. So this is the pen, so clearly it works. But yeah, so honestly, at first glance, this tablet is amazing for the price. Like I said, for, you know, $329 compared to $499. I would highly recommend this tablet, you know, especially if you have any kids at home that need like a new tablet and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys want to see an overall review on this tablet, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, as that helps me out so much. And thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.